So, guys, I'm back again at the Orifite road construction. The Orifite road will be linking to Onitsha Owerri road. According to what I found out, I think it will be linking to the whether Unko or somewhere. So, if you check out my back, the road is still extending, and they are currently doing their work. So, I'm here to update you guys from on the latest update.
This Orifite road construction, like I earlier mentioned in my previous video, is located at Nkwedo. Once you get to Orifite by Emekofo Junction, you can take a bike or keke to Nkwedo market. From there, you can easily locate this particular ongoing construction of this particular road. So, according to what I said earlier, I found out from somebody, that the road will be linking to what is it called? Nkwo. It like Nkwo market from where you can take to Navy and the rest of them. So that is where they say the road will be linking north from. So the last time I visited here, it was the one side of the gutter that we are still being constructed. So when I visited this last time, you can see that the second one has already commenced. The second construction of the drainage system has commenced already, and it is going down very speedily. So let's head down and see where they are currently at. From my back, what you just watched is the Nkwedo market. Nkwedo market is there, though the drainage system has not reached to the particular place where it's supposed to reach from that market side. I believe they will still stretch it more. So from this side, you now start going down to where they are currently working on. So this side that does not have anything now, they just jump is because of this gate. I think this gate is a kind of a general hospital for Orifite. Orifite. I think this is their general hospital or something. I've forgotten what was written on the gate, but it's an hospital. So you can see on the both sides of the road that the drainage system is currently going on. So we'll be going down and you will see everything for yourself where they currently stop and everything. So this one, they newly completed this one, and the this thing, the plank were removed. We are recently removed. That's why it's still looking very, very neat like this and clean. So let's head down, and so you can continue watching the rest of the video, and I will keep giving you the update and the rest. So the one you just watch right now is still on the second drainage system. So they are still, working on it to get to the same level with this first one. This is the first drainage system which they constructed, but it has not gotten to the final destination. It's still stuck somewhere. So they are doing the second one to get to this particular to meet up with the first one. So I think from what I've seen so far, they are doing the work not so fast, but a kind of moderate. So they are doing their thing over there. So the work is currently being going on moderately. I would say. So mainly looking at the road. I don't know if it will be dualized though, but looking at the size of the road currently, from the size of the things I've seen, and if walkway will still go on with on that road, which I know the walkway will not be on that drainage system because I believe they will not cover it. So, but it's supposed to be covered though. But I know if walkway will be on this road, that means this is just one lane road. It's not gonna be, even the way I'm seeing it currently, it's still a one lane. It's not gonna be dualized. And once there's walkway on it, that means it remains that single lane. So from all I'm seeing right now is a single lane road. That is what is being currently constructed here. So as you can see, that is where the first drainage system stops, and what you just watched previously is where the second one currently stops. So you can see that they are still dredging it, coming down. So the second one has still been dredged, and the rod are already there. The rod that will be used to do the casting and the rest. So let's continue going down, and once I get to another place I needed to talk to you guys, I will still update you guys because I still have more updates to give to you guys. So I'll still update you via the where I previously talked in my video. So once I get to that particular place, I will talk to you. So from all this angle, nothing is currently going on except that they have cleared the whole place. They have cleared all this place, giving it the size they want to use. So the dredging is still, I mean, the clearing is still going on. So let's continue. So we are getting closer to the erosion site. The erosion site I previously showed you in my last video. that's where we are heading to right now. So we are getting very, very close to there. So currently, when I get to that particular site, I notice that it's still being avoided, but I have not comment. I have no comment to make on it until work is done there, because I believe they will never leave that erosion like that, even though there is being avoided somehow. So the day I went to visit, I went for this visitation. I noticed that before, my previous video, it was the road was somehow tiny. So, but this last one I visited, I noticed that they have a kind of extended their hand inside, then make the road more wider. Avoiding that erosion side, extend their hands towards the um right hand side if you are going down to make the road more wider, then avoiding the erosion for now. So but I don't know if the erosion will entirely be avoided or something will be done about it, but I have no comment to make about it until everything is done and dusted. So this is the erosion. As you can see in my video, this is the erosion, and it's very big. It's very, very big. And the last time I visited this particular one that I visited, if you watch closely, you can see that the erosion is even expanding more towards the other side. It's expanding more. So once it rains, it will fall, like it will keep expanding. So I believe by the time they will, get to this particular location, something seriously must be done about here. Maybe they will fill it with sand, or drainage system will pass through there. I don't know, but even the day I visited, I came down here. I noticed that the caterpillar that is doing the clearing is also here working. They are working currently in this video, so you also be seeing them on this my video. So as you can see, this is not how it was looking the first time I visited. They have widened the road more. They just stretch their hand from the right hand side, then widen the road more and more. So let's keep heading down so you keep watching everything for yourself, and also see the tractor. You can see it is still fresh, showing that the tractor is down there still working. So you also see the tractor doing his work. So, like I earlier mentioned in my previous video, a lot of farmland were affected in this area, because I don't think any road has passed through here before, except maybe road that leads to farm or the rest. So a lot of farmland were affected, like I previously mentioned. In as much as we want infrastructure, we still want to feed. So we still want to remain lands that we be using for cultivation and the rest. So a lot of people in the village depends on those things. So I pray that any farmland that is affected, those people should be compensated honestly, so they won't feel pain. So this is some of the farmland that I captured. This one was partially affected, but the way I'm seeing it, it will still affect it more when the drainage system will start. The way I'm seeing it, though I never knew, but it may be still affect it more. So let's just be watching and seeing everything. So the only thing I have to comment about this road is that it will make this place more vibrant and make everybody that is living in this location very easy to get to their homes and the rest. So guys, this is when I'll be ending this video. If you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly do subscribe, click on the like button, and don't forget to share. Thank you guys for watching. Do have a wonderful day. Till we meet again in our next video. Bye.